Now we will do a short exercise. Fill in the blank with suitable gerunds. We'll fill in with whichever suitable gerund in the sentence. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with suitable gerunds. That's what we are going to do now. She bought a new dash table. Next, dash is a bad manner. Dash is a bad manner. When it's a manner, it's a habit. Okay, when you talk about here, we're talking about a habit of a person. Okay. Third one. She is fond of. She is fond of. She is fond of something. You have to complete it with the gerund. Dash is my hobby. Is my hobby. I love. What do you love? You can write whatever you want. One gerund. The boys could not stop. The boys could not stop. And you can write whatever. She stopped. She stopped laughing or crying or whatever you can write. He avoided. He avoided the principal. Next. Dash is a good exercise. Dash is a good exercise. And here we have dash gives something, gives us him joy. Gives him joy. Now, in all these 10 sentences, you will fill in with gerund. Okay? Gerunds always ends in ing. She bought a new dining table. What table? She bought a new dining. She bought a new dining table. Dash is a bad man. You're talking about the habit. So you can say shouting is a bad habit. Shouting. Can't be shouting at someone or in any place you like. She is fond of. Again, ing. She is fond of. You can write reading, writing, dancing, anything. Reading or dancing or swimming. All gerunds end in ing. Dash is my hobby. What could be your hobby? Maybe dancing. Dancing. Gerund does partly the work of a noun, partly the work of a verb. Okay. I love cycling. Cycling. The boys could not stop crying or laughing. Good. The boys could not stop laughing. She stopped dash. She stopped crying. He avoided meeting. Very good. Meeting. He avoided meeting the principal. Dash is a good exercise. What is a good exercise? Walking. Walking is a good exercise. Dash gives him joy. Sharing. Sharing gives him joy. What have we done here? We filled in all this 10 blank with suitable gerunds. Gerunds end in ing. It does the work of a noun or it does partly the work of a verb. Okay, so first we have here, she bought a new dining table. Shouting is a bad manner. Shouting is a bad manner. She is fond of reading. Dancing is my hobby. I love cycling. The boys could not stop laughing. She stopped crying. He avoided meeting the principal. Walking is a good exercise. Sharing gives him joy. Here we filled in with suitable gerunds in each of these blanks.